The Gilded Age was a time period when there was a growth in industry and many immigrants came to America. The iron and steel production rose dramatically and led to the need of improved transportation. Railroad development grew as many trains began to deliver goods all across the country. With more railroads being used, coal was high in demand and steel and oil were being processed and shipped even faster. One of the major railroad barons was Commodore Cornelius Vanderbilt. He started out in the steamboating industry and later turned to railroads. He offered superior railway service at low rates and made over $100 million. Railroads were the force behind industrial business.
Railroads had a huge impact on the United States. Not only did they make shipping goods easier, they also made transportation a lot faster. They promoted farms and cities and created the model for American big business. Railroads also provided yet another way to persuade citizens during political campaigning. The Interstate Commerce Act prohibited rebates and pools and required the railroads to publish their rates openly. It also forbade unfair discrimination against shippers and outlawed charging more for a short haul than for a long one over the same line. This act set up the Interstate Commerce Commission to administer and enforce the new legislation. Andrew Carnegie was a Scottish immigrant and considered the central figure of the steel industry. He worked his way up the corporate ladder and opened up a plant just outside Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Carnegie also made deals with railroads to enable him to sell his steel the cheapest. He soon took over the steel businesses by buying out his rivals who couldn't compete with him anymore. In doing this, he also bought out all companies associated with steel, which included coal and iron mines, ovens, mills, shipping, and rail lines.